What's up guys, welcome back to another episode. As you can see, today I'm outside the garage. I just thought it would be interesting to show you the surroundings. The view of this garage is going to be amazing compared to the last one, as you can see behind me. For those who don't know Gothenburg very well, our last shop was on the other side of the water, called Backaberge. So it's just like maybe 1 to 2 kilometers the bird way, or the straight way there, if you could say like that. That's our new shop, Östra Bläck och Plåt, and this area is called Marieholm. So I'm really stoked about the location of this garage, because during the summertime I think we can have some awesome meets here, maybe have some barbecue, hang out with some good friends, and it's also sick for photo shoots and features actually. So yeah, I think it's going to be really good. So I thought it would be time to do another update on the new shop, and today I'm going to throw you right into it and enjoy the episode. See you! Today is Saturday. Sebastian and Erik was here and did some work with the walls. So they took the hammer and got rid of the stuff that's going to come loose. I don't know what the English word is for it as usual, but we're going to try to get it better. So today we went and bought some stuff to fix the walls. So the idea is to blend all of that stuff and try to fix like the worst holes like this, so we don't get any rats inside, and also get a more even wall. So we don't know what we're doing, but we're going to be trying to do it as best as possible. So let's get to work and hopefully make it work. It might not look like much, but we actually fixed the holes here and here. It might not look good, but the idea is not to make these walls perfect, but it's just to make it better, so we don't have any holes going outside. This is something that we have to fix with a couple of bricks and stuff like that, but overall we're pretty happy about this. There's definitely going to be rough walls, but it's at least no holes, so that's good. So we're going to continue and doing some more holes over here today, me and Sebastian. We're going to try to fix all of this as well as possible at least. So let's get to work. So with all of that work with the walls done, we decided on moving on to the next step, and that was to clean out the workshop, so make sure that nothing is in the way from the big gate all the way into the place that we're going to pour in the concrete, because the next day was booked to have Tobias Lilleste come there and fix the concrete flooring. So you might ask, who is Tobias Lilleste? As you may have seen on my Facebook or on Instagram, I searched for someone who could give us some ideas and tips for doing the concrete work that we needed. Luckily we came in contact with Tobias Lilleste. He's a friend of a friend that I've met a couple of times before. He's the owner of a company by the same name as his, so T. Lilleste. They specialize in the pump, or like the concrete pump trucks here in Gothenburg. So they are hired by all the big building companies to pump the concrete from the concrete trucks with a big long robotic arm and hose to make it possible to distribute concrete for the foundation or the next floor or whatever they need it for. So he just took deliverance of a new work truck or a pump truck. And when they buy a new truck like this, they have to do a test to make sure that the pump is working and everything like that. So they have to actually order a truck with the concrete and just pump it through to make sure everything works out well before they go to the first job site. So he was kind enough to offer us the possibility of doing this work at the same time he's doing the test. So this is way overkill for anything that we remotely needed, but it made it so much easier, and we're really grateful for the help. So make sure you check out their website, and if you have any work that you need doing in the close area, make sure to contact him. So check out what happened this day, and thank you again. Phil.
Hej bloggen!
Tja bloggen. Nej, nu får man.
Jaha, du ska prata?
Ja.
Jaha.
Men du är jättemörk, du får vända dig mot ljuset.
Turn towards the light.
Nej, ja, där.
Vart med det?
Fint ljus på er.
Det är ingen hammare det där du pratar om. Eller studiebelysning.
Ja.
Är du med då? Ja, du får börja.
Welcome back to another episode of me and Mårten's
Jag ska
life.
inte börja så.
Vart är vi någonstans? Jag vet inte ens
Det
vart vi är.
är efter jul skulle jag. Well, a couple of days has passed by. It's been Christmas and stuff, even though it has been a weird one. We've been away for maybe 2 to 3 days.
Yep.
While we didn't film one visit, 2 visits? No, 1 visit. We didn't film
one, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't film one of them. That was when we were fixing some holes. Fixed this one and that one and some other stuff, so that's good. And as you can see, we now have a concrete foundation, or what you call it in English, I don't know. We're really satisfied about it. It looks really good. A small passing with the grinder of the whole floor, and I think it will be ready for paint. So I want to do a big shout out to Tobias Lilleste, who helped us out with the
Big machine.
Yeah, it was a huge machine. We didn't know what we were doing, but we did it big, so that was really good.
Yeah.
So so today we're here again because tomorrow my dad comes and we're supposed to paint all of this. So we're going to try to sweep off the walls to get all the dust off and try to cover the things that don't need paint. And then we're gonna hopefully make everything white. Also, check this out. We got to borrow this paint gun, so with the help of this thing we will be able to paint the ceilings and all of that stuff a lot easier than to do it by hand. So that's about it. Let's get to work and hopefully get this shit done so we can get painting tomorrow. Yep. Good morning, guys. Yesterday we tried to prep everything for paint. We're probably not completely done, but we got a long way at least. So right now my dad is about to arrive from Skövde and he's going to help us with the final prep and also with the paint. So really stoked about taking this step. I just did some shooting before and after, or the before shot of course, to get some good content to show before and after. So that's going to be good. So my dad should be arriving any minute now, and I'm pretty much ready to get going. So hopefully everything goes well. So let's get to work as usual and see what happens. Okay, we put down the first layer of paint. We're definitely way down on the amount of paint that we need. We have 70 liters and it looks like we need 150 or 200 liters. So we're just gonna go with one layer of paint this time, make that dry up good, and then get some more paint and spray again on Tuesday hopefully. So this is how it looks right now. You can see some places here it's like bleeding through, like old debris and stuff like that. Also, you see this corner seems to have some kind of problem because it's not sticking, it's like cracking up. So this is one of the areas we have to redo, try to clean it better and repaint it. So we have 20 liters left, so we're going to use that now and cover those two walls up, and then we're pretty much done for the day.